Today I would like to share about the story of Peter. Peter denied Jesus 3 times, but when he heard Jesus rose from the dead and the tomb is empty, he ran towards the tomb. Maybe in the back of his mind, he was struggling. Now he was going to meet Jesus, whom he has not met after backsliding, after denying Jesus for 3 times. So many times we struggle with what we have done. One thing good we see about Peter, when he heard that Jesus rose from the dead, he did not think about his past, but he ran towards the tomb. If you run towards your destiny, you don't have to struggle with your history. Many times people struggle with their history, with their past in 2 ways. One is very negative, when we have done something wrong and we always struggle to overcome. Even if God has forgiven you, you are not able to forgive yourself because of that mistake, because of that things that you have done in the past. But in the second case, people always love to recall what has happened in the past and they feel nostalgia about it. Either you fight with your history or you feel nostalgia about it. And both the cases, you're not moving, you're not going ahead. And God wants you to move and go ahead. So you have to run forward. You don't have to stay. You don't have to stop. You don't have to struggle, but keep moving on. In Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 10, Solomon says, "Why were the old days better than these? For it is not wise to ask such questions." We just love to recall, oh, those were the days and we were really, we were revived, we used to pray, we used to read Bible. So we keep recalling what God has done in the past, and we are not able to see what God wants to do today and what God wants to do tomorrow. We are not moving with God. One wrong incident in their life and they have not come out of it. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, they're still there. Just because something happened, just because something good happened, you always hold on to it. My dear friends, many of us may be struggling with our past, with our failures, with our success. The problem with success is that success is always intentional. It's never accidental. And so we need to focus. If we want to succeed in life, stop focusing on past success. Many people, they love to talk about what God has done in the past or what is happening today. So, dear friends, let us focus and move ahead. Stop focusing on your past guilts and failures and also the past success, because God is doing a new thing. In Isaiah, we read that, "Forget the former things, because I am going to do a new thing." So God is a God of new things. Move ahead and let's create the movement. May God bless you.